Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix custom ringtone or text tone not showing after iOS 17 update. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, it's pretty easy to fix your issue. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down a bit and just simply have to go to general. Now from here you have to go to about section. From here you have to make sure that you are using iOS 17 version. So you can see here guys, I'm using iOS 17.0. So close this page. Now let me show you. Here you have to open the settings. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on sound and haptics. Let me tell you that you can easily see here ringtone option. You can see here guys, here is nothing or custom ringtone. You can see here guys, I cannot do that. So let me show you here guys. Now I'm going here text tone. So you can see here guys, here it's not showing for me. So let me tell you that if you have updated your device to the iOS 17.0, then this option disappear from that version. Okay guys, so you have to wait for 2 or 3 weeks. Okay guys, and after that when iOS 17.1 will be released, you have to download and install that one, and you can easily see that option here. So the thing is that guys, Apple has removed or disappeared these custom ringtones or text ringtone from iOS 17.0, and after updating your device iOS 17.1 you can easily get these ones. So that's pretty much for today's video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.